Welcome. Today I want to show you another way you can prepare a simple recipe for stomach ulcer. And that simple recipe is plantain, unripe plantain. With me here I have 4 plantain unripe. When you want to prepare this recipe, all you need is just about 6 to 7 unripe plantain. As you can see, these are unripe. Don't use ripe ones. Make sure that the ones you are using are totally unripe. Now, how do you do it? Get the plantain, cut the skin open and remove the skin from it. All you need is the inner one, the plantain itself, not the skin. Then slice the plantain. If you have a mortar, slice it into the mortar. The 6 or 7 pieces of plantain, slice them into the mortar and pound them. Pound them heavily so that you can have them very, very soft. If you also have a blender, it will give you a better result. You slice them, you put them in the blender and blend it. Make it very smooth. Then pour it into a 4-liter gallon. A gallon like this is a 4-liter gallon. Put all the 6 to 7 pieces of plantain you've pounded or you've blended into this gallon. Then fill it with water and close it. Cover it, close it very well, airtight, and keep it for 3 days. The reason why you keep it for 3 days is to allow the plantain to ferment. After fermentation, the iron inside the plantain will be exposed, and that is when it will become potent for healing any internal injury, whether it's stomach ulcer, peptic ulcer, any internal injury, it can take care of it. How do you use it? I have a glass here. This is the quantity you need. Just get 1 glass a day, and that is all. Before you eat anything in the morning, when you wake up, whether you brush, you not brush, just pour 1 glass and take. Continue doing that once every day for the next 3 weeks, and you'll be completely relieved of stomach ulcer. If you are suffering from stomach ulcer, please avoid oily things, sugary things, and anything that contains a lot of pepper. It's not good for you. If you are going to the hospital, tell the doctor you are suffering from ulcer so that he will not give you the drugs that will affect the ulcer. If you use this simple 1 recipe for it continually, you will have good result, and that ulcer will tell you goodbye. Once again, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that I'll continue to bring to you videos of simple recipes like this that you can use to take care of your day-to-day ailments. So have you subscribed? Subscribe and click on the notification button so that when next I post another video, you will get the information, and if possible, you can share it so that others can have the benefit of knowing how to care for these simple ailments that afflict us from day to day. See you in the next video.